Today in the garage, I'm going to be replacing the blade on my Toro GTS 150cc lawnmower. It's been way too long since I've done anything with it. Actually, I've never done anything to the blade, and it's been over 5 years for sure. Visibly, like, you can see some pretty nice nicks and stuff like that. And then you can look at your grass too, and instead of a nice clean cut, tips kind of look frayed a little bit. So it's more tearing it than cutting it, and that can lead to issues with your grass. So yeah, I figured it's about time to make the swap. Originally, I was just gonna take the blade off and sharpen it with a file, kind of try and get all the nicks that I can out. And then, you know what, I just kind of decided against it and just replaced the whole blade. I'm not gonna be using a socket wrench. I went and picked up my very first impact wrench. So that should make some light work of it instead of using a wrench with like a breaker bar, which I don't have. I will not be using this to put the bolt back on once I make the swap. I'm gonna get it as tight as I possibly can, get it as, really wrench it down and see if I can get another half turn out of it. And then online, it does recommend some, torquing it down a little bit. I don't have a torque wrench right now. Believe me, it's on my list. Maybe before my next mow, I'll double check everything and torque it down. This is all stuff that it was a quick Google search. So one thing to note with that Google search is some lawnmowers have a reverse thread. So instead of going lefty-loosey, so counterclockwise, you would go to the right. But after looking it up, after looking this up with my model, it said that it is just a regular thread. So lefty-loosey, and yeah, let's do it. Get this out of here. Sloppy. So there you have it. I mean, that was a lot easier than I was expecting. I figured it wouldn't be too difficult, but you never know. I mean, this made real light work of it. And I mean, I know this is super dirty. Yes, I know I need to clean the bottom of the deck. It is just disgusting. If you have any power washer suggestions, let me know. One that I can like wash my car with, get this all this crap out. Let me know, drop it in the comments. I mean, I got that bolt as snug as I possibly can. Like I said, I'll probably go out and get a torque wrench, kind of just make sure that's snug down, just because, I mean, it's a fast spinning blade, and the last thing I want is for that to just not really be on there. Hopefully my grass thanks me. It's been getting watered more, so it's thanking me already, but fresh blade, better cut, should be good.